To powerful women, to different worlds, to unique ways of seducing the world, Cleopatra, Queen of the Nile, and Taylor Swift, Queen of Pop, they may live in different centuries, but they both understand the power of seduction. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how Cleopatra would seduce Taylor Swift. Who will win first? Let's look at their weapons of seduction. Cleopatra was known for her intelligence, wit, and charm. She was a master manipulator who knew how to get what she wanted. Her weapon of choice, words, with a silver tongue. She could talk her way into or out of anything. Taylor Swift has a different set of skills. Her weapon of choice, music. With her catchy tunes and relatable lyrics, she can make anyone fall in love with her music and therefore her. Now let's look at their styles. Cleopatra was all about excess. She loved gold, jewels, and anything that glittered. She dressed in flowing robes and had two-tone makeup, the true queen. Taylor Swift, on the other hand, has a more understated style. She's known for her classic looks and red lipstick. She doesn't need to shout to be noticed. Finally, let's look at their love lives. Cleopatra had quite a few famous lovers. Julius Caesar and Mark Antony. Just to name a couple, she wasn't afraid to take what she wanted, and she wanted them all. Taylor Swift, on the other hand, is more private about her love life, but we all know about her famous exes like Joe Jonas and Harry Styles. She's not afraid of love, but she's definitely more cautious. So now we know about their weapons, their styles, and their love lives. Let the seduction begin. Cleopatra would have been drawn to Taylor Swift's fame and fortune. As soon as she saw Taylor on TV or the internet, she would have said, "That's a star." And like a moth to a flame, she would have been drawn to her. Taylor, being the smart cookie that she is, would have been aware of Cleopatra's advances. She would have seen right through the queen's manipulations and played along just to keep things interesting. After all, Taylor's been called a snake before. The first round of seduction goes to Taylor Swift. The battle of wits would go something like this. Cleopatra would enter the chat with a compliment. "Your music is like honey to my ears, sweeter than the grapes of the vine." Taylor, being the gracious queen that she is, would accept the compliment with a slight blush. But she wouldn't be fooled by Cleopatra's charm. Oh no. Taylor's heard smooth talk before and she won't fall for it. She would turn the tables with a clever comeback. "Your kingdom may be made of gold, but my castle is made of hits." Cleopatra, never one to back down from a challenge, would double down on her compliments. This time targeting Taylor's love life. "They say you change like the desert sands, having many lovers under your spell. But my love is eternal like the river Nile." Now it's Taylor's turn to shine. She would respond with a song. A song about how she's done with playing games and she's ready for something real. Cleopatra, taken aback by Taylor's raw emotion, would realize that she's in too deep. But being the drama queen that she is, she wouldn't back down. She would pull out her ultimate weapon, the forbidden fruit. "They say your lovers are just a fleeting fling, but with me you'll find a love that lasts in eternity." Or does eternity even last that long? Cleopatra would tempt Taylor with promises of a grand romance, but Taylor would remain unmoved. She's not interested in a love that's built on sand. Taylor would stand firm, knowing that she can do better than Cleopatra. This round also goes to Taylor Swift. With her clever comebacks and stunning performances, it seems that Taylor Swift is the winner of this showdown. In the end, it would take more than smooth words and sweet flattery to seduce Taylor Swift. She's too smart for that. And besides, Taylor's already got a whole squad of friends who would protect her from any unwanted advances. So Cleopatra, you'll have to find another queen to seduce because Taylor Swift is not going anywhere near the Nile. Thanks for watching. Which queen do you think would win, and why? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. See you next time.